Well, hello there, friends. Who doesn't like a nice, large oak cookie? That's what I got right here. Just sealing it up, making sure it stays nice and fresh for when I decide to make something out of it. Make sure it doesn't crack, you know. Who likes cracked cookies, right? You like them nice and fresh, nice and even, beautiful. I got me a few of them right now. So let's move over to the next one. And friends, if you want to purchase a nice big oak cookie like this, you just let me know. If not, I mean, you can just, subscribe or follow and watch what I make out of them. In the meantime, you can just watch me put the glazing on the cookie. My neighbors think I'm a little crazy because I'm always out here painting cookies. They don't understand. They don't know that the freshness stays inside if you paint them. Yeah, nice and moist. Just keep it all inside. Keeps the flavor in, you know? We'll even poke a little in there. You know what I'm saying? Just nice big glob of paint going in there. Yeah, we just want to make sure it stays nice and sealed. There we go. Yeah. It's gonna make me hungry. Oh, one more. Well, I'm not gonna bore you. You already know what's up. So yeah, just stay in touch.